Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make potato and leek soup. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one whole leek. So what we're going to do is cut the stem off first and cut at the top here where it starts to go dark green. And I usually peel this first layer away. So what we're going to do is just cut lengthways now. Cut lengthways again. And we're going to start chopping this. Just like so. Okay, and next we'll just need 3 garlic cloves. And all we're going to do with our garlic cloves is just smash them. Just like that. So let's move on to our stove. Alright, so just into a pot on a medium to high heat, we'll add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Along with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add in our leek and our garlic. And we just want to saute that on a low to medium heat. Alright, so while we're waiting for our leek to cook, we're going to get started on our potatoes. So I've just got 10 small to medium sized potatoes here. And all we're going to do is start peeling all of these. Alright guys, so that's all our potatoes peeled. So all we're going to do is just very coarsely dice them. Okay, so let's move back to our stove. Alright, so our leek and garlic is looking very good and smelling very aromatic. So we're going to add our potatoes straight in. And we'll season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so we'll give it a quick stir in there. And we're going to top this off with about 6 to 7 cups of chicken stock. And we just want to turn the heat up all the way. And at this point I'm going to add in 4 bay leaves. And once we get a boil going like that, turn the heat down to medium to high. And we want to let this simmer for around 15 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm at the 15 minute mark now. As you can see, a lot of our stock has reduced. But more importantly, our potatoes have cooked. And as you can see, they crush easily. That's what we want. So let's blitz this now. But before we do blitz it, we need to take out our bay leaves. And we'll just discard those. And just using a stick blender. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So guys, what we're going to do now is add in 1 cup of thickened cream straight in. And let's go back to our stove. And we're just going to turn our heat back onto a low. And we'll just stir our cream through. Alright guys, and all we really want to do is simmer it for about 5 minutes, just to let that cream work into it. At this point you can adjust the seasoning if you need to. So sometimes I like to add a bit of cinnamon into it. It gives sort of a sweet note to it. And of course you can add some nutmeg. There's a lot of different things you can do. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple. Alright, and I'm quite happy with that. So let's go ahead and serve. Okay, and there we have it. And if you like, you can just add some cream onto the top like that. And we'll just finish it up with some chopped spring onions. And there we have it. I feel like in this day and age, soups aren't appreciated as much as they used to. You know, with Instagram and all that. It's all about how food looks. But you just forget how good a simple potato and leek soup like this hits the spot. Okay guys, and that's how you make a nice simple potato and leek soup, perfect for a winter's day. That really hits the spot. So guys, this can be frozen. If you're freezing it, make sure you let it cool down completely before you freeze it. Same as if you're putting it in the refrigerator, make sure it cools down completely. I'll see you all next time.